had a pants malfunction. I had to change my pants. I had a rip in like the worst area possible, and I'm like, wait a minute, I gotta change that. But anyway, back to owning the German Hellcat. So far this car has been great to me. I have a minor oil leak somewhere. I don't know where. So luckily I have the liquid moly oil, that greenish looking oil. It's supposed to be like if you flash a black light on it, you can see where the oil leaks are at. So I'm gonna get on there and do that. Other than that, like, the car has been really fun. I mean, the supercharger's cool, the whining noises, I love it. And it's like, you know, when I think about it on why I call it the German Hellcat, you got regular Hellcats, you know, Dodge Challengers, Chargers, Trackhawks, TRX. Like, if you really weigh the options here, it's like, all right, this car that's like a 20K and under car, depending on where you get it from, and then you have Hellcats, which are like 45K plus, you know. So it's like, get cool noises for 20K or less, or, you know, get muscle V8 for like 45K plus more. Like I said, that's just like if you're going to like other places and all that. Like, some of you guys might have the ends on getting one cheaper or something like that. But yeah, other than that, it's been great to me. I enjoy it. I just recently installed the MMI Apple CarPlay. I'll show you which one I have. Well, it's a little bit older version, but I got it from the original owner. So shout out to Chef once again, you know, helping me and putting it in too. He installed it too. We had a great time doing that. We took it out with some tweezers. I wish I could find the tweezers and whatnot. These guys coming in like speeding. But yeah, it's been good. It's been real fun. I enjoy it. It's the best quick car bang in my opinion. Ooh, phone is loud for what it is. All right, so what I mean by, like, you know, quick bang for your buck, honestly, you give this car like a stage 1 tune from, you know, Jackal, Integrated Engineering, or 034 APR, whichever you guys prefer, or even EPL. I mean, heard of them as well. I've only had tunes from Jackal Motorsport for my B7 and Integrated Engineering, which is on this one, which is a stage 2 pulley setup, single pulley setup. You can get tunes with them, but just with like a stage 1 tune, the car is already like zippy enough. Anymore is like, you know, it's great. Like, I haven't went double pulley yet. I'm debating if I want to. A lot of guys that are double pulley say they love it, but you know, like, I'm not gonna change anything that's not broken on this thing, you know. So by all means. And then, like I told you guys before, I have Integrated Engineering. Shout out to Chef once again from a tune. It's that stage 2 single pulley setup, which is good. You know, it's been good to me. I don't daily this, so not getting beat on too hard or anything like that, but like when I do get to drive it, I do enjoy driving it. I haven't come into like any wild like issues yet, like some other guys. Luckily the previous owners took care of this car like very well. He took care of it very well, so, you know, he alleviated me from dealing with a lot of issues that most people deal with. But yeah, the car has been real good to me. Had a couple run-ins with a couple cars, you know, just thinking it's a stock like S4 on wheels and coilovers and everything. I mean, honestly, a lot of people get confused with this car for like a B8 A4, and I can see why. They kind of do look the same. I'm sorry for anybody that's like, you know, B8 elitists or whatever you want to call them, like, just, you know, die hard for it. But like, guys, let's be honest, it does look like A4 a little bit on certain points. So I'm just like, all right, well, I can see why. Even though like it's badges on the back of it, but I mean, we got people that up badge anything, and I'm pretty sure if any of you guys are part of that up badge group that's on Facebook, you've seen a lot of up badging going on. You're like, wait a minute. But yeah, I've had a good, I've had nothing, honestly, the car's been nothing great to me. I did have to get used to this whole DSG thing, but I'm not gonna lie, this DSG, it's nice. It's nice, little paddle shifters and everything and whatnot. It's all nice. You hit one button in the next gear where, you know, you shift it like this and whatnot, but you know, to each their own needs when it comes to these type of cars and what they prefer. Preferably, I do like a manual, but I don't mind like driving this. Like, I do drive to work some days. Like, it's nice, laid back. I'm gonna worry about hitting no clutch or anything like that. And yeah, I can definitely say the German Hellcat has done me justice, like, since having it, and I do I definitely do appreciate it. Don't get me wrong, I still love my B7 and I love my B5, but like this thing is just like nice. Like even just like a little quick pull in this thing. Hold up. Like pulls in this thing is just ridiculous. Like it just pulls, and it's not even like full throttle and everything, but like it's the same. It pulls, and that blower just whines so loud, and I love it honestly. Like I enjoy these blower noises over like the turbo noises on my B5. Oh my lord, this guy is literally like pounding me. Hello? You flying through the lane in the Trailblazer? That's crazy. He is splitting lanes left and right. Okay. But yeah, yeah, just a quick update on the vehicle. Don't want to talk you guys' ears off. I do that enough in other videos and vlogs. But yeah, just a quick update on it. Would I recommend the B8 to people? B8 and B8.5? Yes, 100%. Good daily vehicle? Absolutely. If you're dailying it, absolutely a great vehicle daily. I'm trying to think what else. German Hellcat? Yes. Yes, 100%. On top of that, I'm gonna have some more videos coming up for you guys. I'm trying to pump them out as fast as possible. You know, life gets in the way. I'll be over here just doing multiple things. I'll be like, oh damn, I gotta do a video. Didn't finish one yet. But yeah, I'm gonna get some more videos up to you guys. I'm gonna give you some more videos with the B5. Think about 4.2 V8 swapping it. Honestly, I think that'll be a fun build. So I'm looking to doing that. I kind of have the 2.8 trans already. I just need like the motor and a couple other things and like a Mario in there. These people are just going. I mean, I feel like this lady is yelling at me right now. He's picking your nose and your ear in the car. Okay, there she goes. Anyway, besides that, but yeah, a couple more videos coming, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. And yo, talk in the comment section. Let me know what else you want to see. Like, what you want me to talk about? What you want me to put my you know, put my opinion on? Like, I'm for whatever, you know. I try to keep it Audi content related. I know even with the vlogs, I'll be showing a bunch of Audis and a bunch of other cars too. Gotta show the car manufacturers love too. But yeah, you know, that's all I got for you guys. See you guys in my next video. Yeah.